Welcome back to another Dollar Tree haul. Today I have a bunch of random fun finds though. I did get some toilet paper, some plates, paper towels, and tissues. All not shown here. I just want to jump right in with some of things that I don't pick up all the time. This is kind of hard to come by sometimes at the Dollar Tree. It's the Ultra Palmolive Ultra Strength. This is my new favorite Palmolive. I even buy this sometimes in the big giant bottle at Walmart. It's amazing. This is the best dish liquid I've ever used. I hear great things about this cleanser, so I got the Barkeeper's Friend. And I haven't bought this 2-pack of sponges in a very long time, and I felt like grabbing them today, so I got these Scrub Buddies Nail Guard sponges. I love these. I typically now buy them in 6-packs, but today I wanted to get the 2-pack. They're a little bit different than the 6-pack. Continuing on with house kind of things. From their cooking concepts, I picked up a new square cake pan, a brownie pan. These last amazingly long time before they tarnish, and they work great, and they are only $1. And I got a cookie pan, and I also grabbed this 2-pack of water bottles, and these are BPA free, and we got them in the blue. I have some food finds, some Reese Puffs cereal. This is their 3.4 ounce baggie, but you can't beat the price on this. It's in a resealable package. Charms Watermelon Blow Pops. These 4D 3D Plus Delicious gummies, and these are mini fast food. And you can see there is fries, burgers, and cups in there. I just thought those were cute for Connor to try. And I haven't been able to find these in forever, but the Jennifer's Garden Traditional Vegetable Spring Rolls. You get 10 in here for $1. These are delicious if you can find them at your Dollar Tree. I found another piece to add to my floral arrangement in the bathroom. This is Greenery Bouquet. It has some purple and pink in there. And the vase that I showed also in that Dollar Tree flower arrangement, it was from Goodwill. So Goodwill and Dollar Tree, and you can have a beautiful floral arrangement in the bathroom. I did have some Easter finds. I got a 2-piece basket bags. Picked up that. Connor got some goggles. I grabbed the Sky Catcher set for basket. Also grabbed this fun gross monster-y kind of can. Some Junior Mints eggs. And these. And I picked up this basket because I thought it was pretty versatile. I'm going to fill this up and use the basket bags. I may show that in a video or something if anyone's interested. And I just think that he could also use this outside as well. Some health and beauty items I needed. Solid deodorant. I forgot to pick this up the other day. We went today on a whim, and I actually went to a newer, bigger Dollar Tree also and found so many good finds. Some of these Assured Safety Swabs, I still use these on Connor. I love them. I've had no issues. I've used them for 7 years on his ears. It's fine. Just randomly needed those. I got these like cheetah, leopardy kind of print glasses. The rainbow kind of shift to them. I love them. Headbands. These are my all-time favorite headbands. I needed a new pack of those. And then I found one kind of similar to those from the Skuncy brand. So I grabbed those. And then these tie-dye scrunchies. I always have my hair up. It's so thick and naturally curly that I don't wear it down a lot because of that. But I do keep my hair long though. It's just, yeah, I like to keep it up. So that's what these were super cute. Okay, and I grabbed this super cute doggy notebook. I could not help myself. He's so adorable. It is wide ruled, But I'm always writing notes, planning out videos, writing down requests, all kinds of stuff. So I go through a lot of paper. So I prefer the physical paper. And then I found these for Connor because he is reading a lot more now. And I thought this would help him keep his place, which that's what they're for, the reading highlighters. 10 pieces. And they're pretty thick as well. They're cardboard. So I just picked those up for him. And moving on to the really super fun beauty funds. And I even saw someone haul these and I thought to myself, I would probably not pick all those up if I find them. But I could not help myself because you can use these for cosmetic use and makeup removal kind of things. These are not safe to use in your ear. They are oil infused, so don't stick these in your ears. But for everything else, you can use these beauty related. So I got the rose oil, the coconut infused, aloe infused, and the lavender infused. You get 50 count. I like that they come in these cute little containers that you can reuse, and I just thought that was so cute. I wanted to try them all, so we're going to try these out. Okay, more beauty related finds. I've been looking for these, waiting for these to pop up forever. They're the mini tweezers set. I found them today from Sassy and Chic. I also randomly found this e.l.f. Shape and Stay brow pencil. I'm just intrigued. And then since I'm trying out every other nail care kind of product, nail polish stuff from LA Colors, why not grab this Rapid Dry top coat? It seems a little watery. It's not very thick. Just for first impressions. I hope it dries super quickly and helps dry the nail polish underneath it. So that's why I thought I would test this out. And I also was really hoping, after I seen some ladies haul the Bolero facial cleansing balm, that I could find it. I picked it up in Rose Hip, and I'm very excited to try this. They had all the stuff in this line at that Dollar Tree, but I just didn't need everything. I was most excited to try the balm, and I found it. So, and last but not least is my favorite finds, and it's a bag full of lashes. Yes, I found Ioni lashes again, and this time I did not sleep on it. I stocked up. Normally I buy like 1-2 pairs. I have a whole bag here. So let's jump right in. So these are 3D foam ink lashes. They're $1 each. $1 each. I have gotten multiple uses out of these lashes. I even recently done a how to clean your lashes video, so check that out in the cards. Today I found the Everlasting Lash Glue. They have this in a blue lid and a pink lid. I grabbed the pink one. 100% vegan. So excited to try that. Wispy Dramatic. Now I found these the other day, didn't pick them up. I picked up I think one style, but I decided, okay, we'll get some more today. So Wispy Dramatic, Wispy Full Dramatic. Just in comparison to what I picked up the other day, these are in like corally peach kind of packaging, but similar at the tops of them. And the other day I got Natural Light Doll and Natural Light Wispy for the other day. Grabbed all those. And then I haven't seen anyone haul this one, and they have names on them as well. Let me find the random one that I picked up that wasn't that one. Let's see. Oh, okay. So the random one in this line I got one of is the Wispy Crisscross. Wispy Crisscross, and the name on these are Pink Spider. These are 100% handmade. These are phenomenal lashes. And then my favorite, all-time favorite Ioni lash is the Wispy Spiky, and I knew that if I ever found the lash again, I would stock up. I think I bought almost all they had. I think only maybe 1 or 2 pairs was left. I got 3 of these, and there was just a couple left. Wispy Spiky. I'll try to insert a picture because I wore my first pair at least 5 or 6 times. amazingly beautiful. I thought they were going to be too bold and long and spiky for my hooded eyes, but no, they were perfect. So I have a eye on a lash stash now. This isn't even all of them. I bought more in the past too. But that is all for this Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you were wondering at the beginning of the video why I didn't say some of the Easter items, it's because my child was in earshot. And he wasn't paying attention to what I was actually filming, but I know that he hears everything I say. So that's why I just showed some items and didn't say the names of some of the items. Get what I'm trying to say? And then I quickly put that stuff away in a bag to not be seen again until April. So, I thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more Dollar Tree hauls. If you see anything you'd like a review on, let me know. I'd be happy to do it. Have any more comments, questions, concerns? Leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching.